The Unilock commercial website offers 6 calculators, all designed to provide tailored answers to your preliminary design questions. What base depth is required for a vehicular road? How much rainfall can infiltrate through a permeable paver system? How many pedestals are needed for a rooftop amenity space? Answer these questions and more with our project design calculators. Easily get to the calculators from anywhere on our website by navigating to the footer, or find them by clicking on the Resources tab at the top of the page. From there, you can access our 6 calculators: the paver base, stormwater volume, infiltration rate on-site, infiltration rate design, or pedestal count calculator, as well as the wall estimator. The paver base calculator provides a recommendation for how much bedding and base material is required for your paver project. The stormwater volume calculator determines the captured rainwater harvest amount, as well as the base and sub-base volume capacity of a project's design. The infiltration rate on-site calculator evaluates the performance of an installed permeable paver system by calculating the surface infiltration rate based on your on-site test results. The infiltration rate design calculator determines the minimum infiltration rate based on rainfall intensity in your region for select Unilock permeable pavers. The pedestal count calculator will quickly assess the number of pedestals you will require for a project with elevated slabs. And the wall estimator allows you to easily plan your retaining wall layout from a bird's eye view, providing information on square footage, quantities, and cross-section layouts for your project. If you have any questions, please contact your local Unilock representative.